Getting random calls from unknown numbers? Your personal info might be listed on TelephoneDirectories.us, a site that exposes phone numbers, addresses, and more. If you value your privacy, here's how to remove your data in just a few steps. Telephone Directories US is an online directory that publicly lists phone numbers, cities, states, and zip codes. If your number is there, anyone can find it. Let's take control and remove it now. Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Visit the Telephone Directories US removal page. Step 2. Enter your phone number, complete the reCAPTCHA, and click Search. Step 3. Select Remove the record. Then click Submit. Step 4. Your records have now been successfully removed from Telephone Directories US. That's it. Your data should be removed soon. Removing your info from Telephone Directories US is a great start, but it's not enough. Your phone number and personal details are likely listed on dozens of other people's search sites without your knowledge. Manually removing your data from all of them takes time. That's where Delete My Info comes in. We handle the hard work for you by removing your data from Google and over 160+ data broker websites automatically. Take back control of your privacy today. Visit DeleteMyInfo.com now. Like and subscribe for more privacy protection tips. Stay safe online.